Good morning everyone. In the previous videos, we saw the method to find the last two digits of any odd number raised to any power. In this video, we are going to see about the method to find the last two digits of any even number raised to any power. Let us start with numbers relating to 2. Even numbers are numbers that are ending with 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. 6, 8 and 0. Let us take numbers that are ending with, let us take numbers that are related to 2. The numbers that are related to 2 are 2 to the power of 1, 2, 2 square, 4, 2 cube, 8, 2 to the power of 4, 16, 2 to the power of 5, 32, 2 to the power of 6, 64, 2 to the power of 7, 128, so 28, 2 to the power of 8 is 256 which ends with 56, 2 to the power of 9 is 512 which ends with 12, 2 to the power of 10 is 1024 which ends with 24. When you consider 2's powers, there is a pattern. When you consider the powers of 2, there is a pattern after 2 to the power of 10. If 2 to the power of 10 is 1024. If 2 to the power of 10 is raised to an even power, the last two digits are 76, and 2 to the power of 10 raised to an odd number ends with 24. This is very important. Please make a note of it. So, if the question is like, find the last two digits of 32 to the power of 24, it is same as finding 2 to the power of 6. 32 is 2 to the power of 5, 2 to the power of 5 raised to the power of 24, which is 2 to the power of 120, which is 2 to the power of 10 raised to the power of 12. 12 is an even number, so it ends with 76. If it is an odd number, that is if 2 to the power of 10 raised to the power of 13 was asked, the last digit is 24. The last two digits are 24. We can extrapolate this to find the last two digits of any odd number, any even number raised to any power. Let us take a problem. Let us say we have to find 58 to the power of 34. Last two digits of 58 to the power of 34. 58 to the power of 34, 58 is nothing but 2 into 29, which is same as 2 into 58 to the power of 34 is same as 2 to the power of 34 into 29 to the power of 34. 2 to the power of 34, the last two digits of 2 to the power of 34 is found by this method. This is 2 to the power of 34 is 2 to the power of 30 into 2 to the power of 4. 2 to the power of 30 is, the last two digits of 2 to the power of 30 is 24 because of the previous method. 2 to the power of 30 is 2 to the power of 10 raised to the power of 3. Power of 3 into 2 to the power of 4 into 29 to the power of 34. 2 to the power of 10 raised to the power of 3 is 24. The last two digits is 24. And 2 to the power of 4 is 60. We need to multiply 16 with 24, which is 84. The last two digits of 24 into 16 is 84. And we already know the method to find the last two digits of 29 to the power of 34, which was explained in the previous videos. What are the last two digits of 29 to the power of 34? 29 to the power of 34 is nothing but 29 square raised to the power of 70. And 29 square is nothing but 21 square. 29 square is nothing but 21 square. 21 square is 41. The last two digits of which is 41. So 29 to the square to the power of 31 is nothing but 41 to the power of 17, which is nothing but 1, 4 7 28. So it is 81. 81 are the last two digits of 29 to the power of 34. And we need to multiply 84 with 81. Zero 4 is the last two digits of 58 raised to the power of 34. That is how we find the last two digits of any even number. Let us take an example and see it again. Let us take 84 to the power of 394. 84 to the power of 394 is nothing but 21 into 2 square the whole raised to the power of 394, which is nothing but 21 to the power of 394 into 2 raised to the power of 788. 2 raised to the power of 788 is nothing but 2 raised to the power of 10 raised to the power of 78 into 2 to the power of 8. 2 raised to the power of 78, 2 raised to the power of 10 raised to the power of 78 is nothing but 76. And we have 2 to the power of 8. 2 to the power of 8 is nothing but 256. 76 into 56. The last two digits of 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 8, 256. And 76 into 56 is nothing but 56 itself. 56 itself. How is this? I'll explain. Seventy-six into 8 is 8. 76 into 12 is 12. 76 into 16 is 16. 76 into 16. 1 second. Seventy-six into 16 is 16. 76 into 32 is 32. 76 into 64 is 64. 76 into 28 is 28. 76 into 56 is 56. And 76 into 24 is 24. 76 into 2 raised to the power of the numbers which are coming in this problem, like 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 3, 2 to the power of 4, up to 2 to the power of 9, 2 and 2 to the power of 10. If we multiply with 76, the last two digits are those digits only. The last two digits are 2 to the power of 7, etc. For example, excuse me. Let us take a problem 2 to the power of 344. Excuse me. 2 to the power of 344 is nothing but 2 to the power of 10 raised to the power of 34 into 2 to the power of 4, which is nothing but 2 to the power of 10 raised to an even power is 76. 2 to the power of 4 is 16. 76 into 16 is 16 itself. The last two digits of 2 to the power of 344 is 16 itself. This solving any problem that comes as 2 to the power of some exponent is very simple. Look at the second last digit of the exponent. Check whether it's an even or odd number. If it is an even number, just look at the last digit. 2 to the power of 4 is 16. Just write 16. And if it is an odd number, 2 to the power of 334, if the second last digit of the exponent is an odd number, it is 24 into 2 to the power of 4. 24 into 16. 24 into 16 is something which we need to multiply. I guess it is clear how to find the last two digits of any even number raised to any power. Let us take another problem and try to solve it. Let us take 76 to the power of 34. 76 to the power of 34 is nothing but 2 into 19 to the power of 34. This is nothing but 2 to the power of 68 into 19 to the power of 34. 2 to the power of 68 is nothing but 2 to the power of 68 is nothing but 2 to the power of 8, which is 2 to the power of 8, which is 256, which is 56. We just need to find the last two digits of 19 to the power of 34. And 19 to the power of 34 is nothing but 19 square, the whole raised to 70. And 19 square is nothing but 361, the last two digits of which is 61. 61 to the power of 70. And 61 to the power of 70, the last two digits are 1, 6 into 7, 42, so 21. So we need to multiply 56 with 21, which is 76. 76 is the last two digits of 76 raised to the power of 34. It is actually more simple than this. 76 multiplied with 76 will always result in 76, and hence 76 to the power of 34 is nothing but 76 itself. We don't need to do all this to solve it. Let us take another problem and try to solve it. 86 to the power of 21. 86 to the power of 21 is nothing but 2 into 43 to the power of 21, which is nothing but 2 into 21 into 43 into 10. 43 to the power of 21. 2 into 21 is nothing but 2, and 43 to the power of 21 is something which we need to solve. 43 to the power of 21 is nothing but 43 to the power of 4 raised to the power of 5 into 43. And 43 to the power of 4 is nothing but 43 square into 43 square, which is nothing but 7 square into 7 square, which is nothing but 49 square, which is nothing but 1 square. So 43 to the power of 4 is 1. 1 to the power of 5 is 1. 1 into 43. So we have 2 here, 1 here, and 43 here. The multiplication of which is something 86. 86 is the last two digits of 86 to the power of 21. I am assuming that it is now clear to find the last two digits of any even number raised to the power of any number. Thank you. There are some problems in the post. Please solve them, and the solutions of those problems will be discussed in the next video. Thank you.